I am reading, I'm hearing, but I do not remember anything. What is the benefit of it? And this is especially relevant for the age of Kali, in which many of us have short memories. So the Guru told the disciple, they were next to a river. So told him, you see that basket? There was a basket full of coal. Coal, this mineral black.
Yes.
The Guru said, take out the coal and go with the basket. What's a kind of a straw basket, whatever type. And go to the river, fill it with water, and bring it here. The disciple tried several times to do that. He filled the basket, after emptied, he filled the basket with the clean water of the river and started to walk to the place where the Guru was situated, but all the water was going out.
Yes.
So after several times, he went to the Guru and said, Guru Maharaj, I'm very sorry, but each time I'm filling the water and following your instruction, but the basket is empty. And then the Guru asked, what is the difference between the basket now and the basket before, in the beginning? And then he said, now it's totally clean. Before it was completely black. So the Guru said, this is what exactly happens to your heart and your mind when you read everyday Shastra. When we read Srila Prabhupada's books every day, we are cleaning. Even if we forget many things, it's there. It's clean in the heart.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.